Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur and Delhi. In this video, we are going to discuss how to register the LLP, Limited Liability Partnership. अगर आप जो है अपने बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो उसके काफ़ी सारे मोड होते हैं अपने बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने के. There is a mode of company, you can register a company, whether it's a private limited or public limited, or you can start in partnership mode, you can start in proprietorship mode, or you can start in LLP mode, right? There are lot of way of starting the business in India. So now we will discuss what is the process of incorporation of LLP if you want to start your business in the LLP mode, right? There are certain types of LLP. First is the domestic LLP, second is the foreign LLP, fourth is the professional LLP, and fifth is the startup, and sixth is the small LLP, right? This is the types of LLP you can register for your business, right? The LLP जो मोड होता है बिजनेस का वो बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड कराता है कंपनी के भी और साथ के साथ जो पार्टनरशिप है वो उन दोनों के क्या है बेनिफिट यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड कराता है. तो LLP काफी मायने के अंदर जो है बेटर होता है. फर्स्ट जो होता है वो ये रहता है कि इसके अंदर जो लाइबिलिटी होती है वो लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी होती है. जितनी आप कैपिटल यहाँ पर इन्वेस्ट करेंगे उतने अमाउंट तक की जो है लाइबिलिटी आपकी यहाँ पर अराइज होगी, राइट? तो बट इन केस ऑफ पार्टनरशिप द लाइबिलिटी ऑफ द पार्टनर्स इज अनलिमिटेड, राइट? इन द LLP द liability of the partners is the limited, but you can get the benefit of the partnership as well as the company, right? The second is the legal entity formation. When you register the LLP, it will provide the separate legal entity from its partner, right? And the if company is if LLP is insolvent, the LLP will be liable. The partners is personally not liable. It will improve the operational flexibility, right? It will provide the in LLP जो compliance होती है वो होती minimum होती है in compare to the other companies, right? And it provides the feature of perpetual succession. It means if any partner is died or incapacity to contract, the business of the LLP will continue even all the partners of the LLP is died or incapacity to the contract. The tax, it will provide the tax benefit, right? The next benefit is the business credibility, and next is the simplified compliance. Thereafter, what is the laws and rules governing LLP registration in India? First is the Limited Liability Partnership 2008, Limited Liability Partnership Rules 2009, and Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, Income Tax Act 1961. Thereafter, we will discuss what is the eligibility criteria for LLP registration. If you want to register a LLP, there are certain eligibility criteria given in the LLP Act which you comply during the process of the incorporation of the LLP. First is the minimum partners. At least two partners are required to form an LLP, right? The partners may be individual or bodies corporate. The minimum two designated partners are required who are individuals with at least one is the resident of India. The third requirement is residency requirement. The one partner must be resident of India and in the previous year who stays in India for at least 182 days in India. Age requirement, there is a no maximum age requirement, but minimum age requirement is the person who want to appoint as a partner in the LLP, he must attain the age of 18 years. No maximum limit of age is provided. The another requirement, digital signature requirement, director identification number, and there are certain prohibited sectors you cannot open LLP for that sectors. The next is the document required for the LLP registration. First is the PAN card of all partners, identity proofs like Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID of all the partners, address proof, utility bills, rental agreement or bank statements. For designated partners, photographs, recent photographs and passport size photographs is required. Thereafter, proof of residency in India. At least one designated partner must be resident of India. Digital signature certificate. For business address, proof of registered office. Utility, you can provide your utility bills like electricity bill, NOC from landlord or rental agreement. If property is a self-owned property, the electricity bill of the property is required from the owner. Next is the business related document detailing partnership terms, profit sharing ratio and management structure. Financial document, capital contribution proof and statement of partners, right? This is the requirement for the registration of the company, right? Thereafter, what is the document which are required to be attached along with the application for incorporation of the LLP? There are certain documents which are required to be attached, right? Now we will discuss what is the practical process of incorporation of the LLP. First is the required digital signature before moving for the incorporation of the LLP. After that, the applicant will file the application with the registrar of companies for the reservation of the name of LLP, and the registrar will give the name reservation if there is a no issue or exist in the name application. Right, thereafter, after approving the Philip run form, the Philip form will be required to be filed, in which the information of the partners, designated partners, information of the registered office, information of the business to be carried out by the partners is required to be mentioned, and along with this information, the document is required to be attached with the SPICE Philip form, right? And thereafter submit Philip form along with the necessary documents, including the subscriber sheet and consent of partners, right? The subscriber sheet is signed by the partners to confirm their agreement to form an LLP, right? Thereafter, incorporation of the LLP, the partners will file the LLP agreement with the MC within 30 days of incorporation of LLP. It must contain the right and duties of partners, profit sharing ratio, and other key terms which are required to be mandatory included in the LLP agreement, and receive the certificate of incorporation. Thereafter, post station compliances, right? And you will get the certificate. This is the format of certificate of registration which is given by the registrar of companies, CRC, Central Registration Center, right? And how to check the status of your registered LLP? You can go to the MC website, and MC website LLP service, and check name or status, enter the name of LLP, right? Thereafter, we will discuss what is the practical process of incorporation of the LLP. Now, before moving that, we will discuss the annual compliances which are required to be complied by the applicant and founder of the LLP during the financial year. First is the after incorporation of the LLP, the applicant will file the Form 3 within 30 days from the incorporation of LLP, and file the Form 11, right, on or before the due date, and then filing of the Form 8 for the statement of accounts, and Form 11 for the annual returns, and non-compliance with various provisions, operating without registration, right? Thereafter, what is the key characteristics of the LLP registration? We have already discussed the characteristics of the LLP registration, right? And तो दोस्तों, अब हम प्रैक्टिकली इसको समझ लेते हैं कि किस तरीके से आप जो है फिलिप फॉर्म को यहाँ पे फिल करना है आपको, जब आप जो है LLP इनकॉर्पोरेशन के लिए प्रोसेस को आगे क्या है यहाँ पर फॉरवर्ड करोगे। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले जो है आपको फिलिप फॉर्म ओपन करना है, देन उसके अंदर आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन सारी क्या है रेडी होनी चाहिए, और आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या क्या फिल करनी है वो अब इस वीडियो में देखने वाले हैं। तो इस फॉर्म में पहले जो आपका अगर ऑलरेडी नेम अप्रूव हुआ है तो वहां पर SRN आपको फिल करना है, ठीक है।